Okay, this is how to use the TV. So we have one TV remote. To turn it on, you push the right button, and this is the main screen. If you don't reach that screen, then change the source here because it's connected to an HDMI in the back of the TV. So it is on the specific source. So we have cable TV. This is actually IPTV connected on the internet, so the internet needs to work to get this. And this is this app, the second one. So with the remote, you go there and you push OK. It takes a few seconds to load, and then you can pick the live TV. So on the most left column, you have the countries. So for example, if you want USA channels, you go down, you push OK, and you will be on the second column. Then you pick your channel, OK, and it will load. Okay, if you want to get out of this cable TV, you push exit. You can also watch movies. It's a little bit like Netflix. You can choose the movies you want. Let's go to exit, close. You are back on the main menu. We also have some other apps right here. So with the remote, you go here, and you will find YouTube and other apps. So you can put your login on all those apps. Just make sure that when you check out, you remove your login information. Okay? If you have any questions, let us know. If you see that the TV is not working really well, it's probably because of the internet connection. In that case, go on this side. The modem is right here. And just unplug it for about 2 minutes, replug it, and it should be better. Here, make sure that there is a green light on the internet, okay? If you don't see any light, just contact us and we will check with the internet company. Thank you.